In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Odoo. First, make sure you're logged into your Odoo account using your usual credentials. Once you're on the main Odoo dashboard, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see your profile icon. This might be a small avatar, your initials, or a generic user icon, depending on how your account is set up. Click on that profile icon to open a drop-down menu. From the options you see, select My Preferences. As soon as you click it, a Preferences window or pop-up will appear in the middle of your screen. This is where you can adjust various personal settings, including your language. In the Preferences pop-up, stay on the Main Preferences tab. Look for the field labeled Language. On the right side of that label, you'll see the language that is currently active for your account, such as English. Just next to that, there should be a small globe icon. This globe icon is what you'll use to manage and add new languages. Click the globe icon and another pop-up window will appear. This new pop-up is dedicated to adding languages to your Odoo system. Inside this window, you'll see a field where you can select a language. Click on that field once. You can now either start typing the name of the language you want, for example, Spanish or French, or you can scroll through the drop-down list to browse all available options. Once you find the language you want to use, click on it to select it. After you've selected your preferred language, click the Add button. At this point, Odoo will begin installing that language into the system. The page may reload or show a loading indicator, so just wait for it to fully finish. Avoid closing the window or navigating away while it's still loading. When Odoo is done, the pop-up will update and confirm that the language you chose has been successfully installed. In this confirmation window, you usually have two options. You can simply close the pop-up if you're not ready to change yet, or you can click Switch To, followed by the language you just added. If you click Switch To, Odoo will immediately change the interface to that language. And that's it. You've successfully added a new language and switched your Odoo interface to it.